The CMS5000 is an online water monitoring system that uses gas chromatograph technology for separation of analytes and a micro-argon ionization detector for the identification of volatile organic compounds, VOCs, in water. The CMS5000 is a stationary instrument that can be wall-mounted or fixed on a stand. The instrument is designed for continuous, unattended long-term monitoring. The CMS5000 must have shore power available, as well as ultra-high purity argon for the carrier gas. The instrument is easily installed and simple to operate. A CD accompanies the instrument for easy training. The CMS5000 is housed in a waterproof NEMA 4X enclosure, making it suitable for outdoor use. The CMS5000 is 120 volts, 240 volts compatible. It uses a weatherproof AC-DC converter with a built-in surge protector. The instrument can be integrated into a SCADA system using a 19-pin I/O connector. With 6 outputs available, the CMS5000 can be programmed to alarm during certain events, such as triggering an alarm at a desired VOC threshold or triggering the instrument to shut down when the argon tank is empty. The CMS5000 can also be integrated using the Ethernet cable or Modbus protocol. Data can be automatically uploaded to an FTP server and retrieved over the Internet. The CMS5000 has 802.11 wireless with a maximum of 300 feet line-of-sight communication and can be controlled from an on-site command center. The included 2-stage regulator controls the argon carrier gas flow into the instrument at 90 psi and is connected using a quick connect fitting. The color touchscreen LED display allows for clear, concise front panel operation of the instrument. Alternately, the CMS5000 can be operated from a laptop using CMS IQ software or the front panel display emulator. The CMS5000 uses a toluene permeation tube as the internal check standard. The permeation tube emits a known amount of toluene onto the tri-bed concentrator. The toluene is then desorbed onto the GC column, where it elutes at a known time. The response of the toluene to the detector creates a correlation factor in the software, which is then applied to the method. From the main menu, select Run Method. Select Check Standard. Upon initializing the check standard method, the CMS5000 will heat the internal components. The zones may be displayed on the front panel. Once the temperatures are stabilized, the 7-minute method will begin. The method can also be initiated from the laptop. The check standard chromatogram is visible on the front panel. Inficon recommends that a check standard is run at least once per day to ensure instrument optimization. The method can be automatically programmed to run at a specific time. After the run, touch Select to view the quantitation report. The chromatogram or text report can be viewed from the front panel. The text report contains information about the method as well as the retention time of the toluene. To view page 2 of the text report, select Down. To prepare the calibration standard, the 1-liter sample vessel is spiked with 2.5 microliters of the 19-compound calibration standard. Based on the initial concentration of the calibration standard, the resulting solution will contain 5 ppb of each compound. Ensure that the vessel is attached to all 4 standoffs on the bottom of the instrument. Wing nuts are used to secure the vessel in place. There is a small gap between the bottom of the instrument and the top of the sampling vessel. It is designed as an overflow mechanism to prevent water from being drawn up into the instrument. When sampling continuously, the water enters the input into the 1-liter sample vessel at a flow rate of 1 liter per minute. The water exits the upper part of the vessel and flows into the waste drain. Use the Escape key to return to the main menu. Select Run Method. Select Water Purge 19 Compound Method. The water purge method contains 19 compounds, including trihalomethanes and some EPA chemicals of concern. Argon carrier gas will flow through the water purge tube, and the bubbles produced will ascend into the headspace. The collected compounds from the headspace will be drawn into the sample pathway and become trapped onto the internal tri-bed concentrator, and then desorbed onto the 30-meter GC column. The water purge method takes approximately 20 minutes to complete. All 19 peaks are displayed on both the front panel and laptop. The analytes are separated based on boiling point. Each peak represents a specific compound. The time at which the analytes elute from the column is known as the retention time. Press Select to view the quantitation report. Use the down button to scroll through the summary report. The compound name, retention time, and concentration will be displayed. Alternately, the report can be viewed on the laptop. Custom methods can be created for the CMS5000 to meet your specific needs. For instance, a trihalomethane or BTEX method can be developed. CMS5000 uses GC technology, so you will need to know what analytes you would like to measure. Your key account manager can answer questions that you may have and help you understand how the CMS5000 monitoring system can be a solution for you.